Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to see how easy it is to blend your photos for awesome effects in Canva? Click the Create button, then type Poster into the search bar to start designing your custom poster project. Switch to Landscape Orientation for this demo. Next, click on the Elements tab in your design software. In the search bar, type Goal Places to find and select relevant graphics or icons for your project. Type Generate in the field provided, or simply click the Generate button to start the generation process. Next, we'll add the item to this section. Locate the appropriate button or menu option, then click to start the process. Carefully follow the prompts to complete the addition, and make sure your changes are automatically saved. To add this image with reduced transparency, start by clicking the Insert tab and selecting Image. Browse your computer to locate the image file, then click Open to add it to your document or workspace. Once the image is inserted, select it by clicking on it. Next, look for the transparency or opacity option in the image formatting toolbar or properties panel. Adjust the transparency slider to your desired level by dragging it left to decrease opacity. This will make the image more transparent, blending it smoothly with your background content. Then you can add the item by clicking the Add button, and it will appear instantly in your project list. In the Elements panel, click on the search bar. Type Blur into the search field, then press Enter or click the search icon. This will filter the available elements to show blur options. Browse through the results and select the blur element you want to use by clicking on it, and it will be added to your project. Select the Blur tool, then click and drag along the line you want to soften for a blurred effect. Let's edit this item by selecting it. Click on the Edit button to begin. Change the value to what you need here. We'll choose a different option from the drop-down menu. Now, adjust the setting by dragging the slider to your desired level. If you want to make further changes, use the Input field to enter new information. When you're done, click Save to apply these changes and update your item. To change the color of this element to white, first select the element you want to update. Then, navigate to the Color Settings panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the current color swatch to open the color picker. From there, choose the white color option, or enter the hex code #FFFFF. Once selected, the element will instantly update to display the new white color you have applied. Look for a white trend line that acts as support on your chart. Identify points where the price touches this line and bounces upward. This support line helps you visualize areas where buying interest appears strong enough to prevent the price from falling lower. To add a support line, select the Trendline tool from your charting platform. Then draw the line connecting at least two recent low points. Make sure the line is clearly visible so you can monitor possible reactions around this level during future price moves. Go to the position where the other element is located. Delete the existing item, then replace it by adding the white line in its place to complete the update as needed in the project. Type your text in the center of the page to position it exactly in the middle as needed. Now that the images are blended together seamlessly, the result appears as if it's a single photo instead of multiple separate layers or elements. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the maximum size option to ensure you get the highest quality version of your file. This completes adding the image. You can now proceed to the next step or review your changes adjustments as needed. Now you know how to blend photos in Canva. Give it a try! If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials.